SkyBox Marvel Avengers Metal Universe 2-box random letter number 120. Letters, names, die. It's asking for 8 times. Here we go. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there is 8. We got 8 times, 8 pips. Here we go. Well, we never rolled the names, so now you'll never know. 8 pips, 8 rolls. Good luck, folks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have 8. 8 times, 8 times, 8 times. Let's go ahead and get this in a list. I'm going to send you guys to the table, get the list in order and printed, and then we're going to see some Metal Universe. It feels like it's been forever since I have last seen a break of this stuff. The bounty again is currently sitting at 1K. Oh, I know you were joking. It was all in Goofon. I got you, bro. I got you. There we go. There's the order. Alrighty. Oh yeah, there's this silly tape on the Upper Deck products. Just glad my knife is just sharp enough to be able to get through the stickers. Oh boy. Did I need to use scissors for this one? No. I did not need to use scissors for this one. Cool. Let's hit that bounty, folks. Let's hit that bounty. That's right. This is the one where, like, 3 out of 4 packs will be totally fine. And then that 4th one, you gotta open it up like a Pokemon pack. North Relic, interested in Moon Knight. Is this for love of the comics or love of the character in Marvel Rivals? Throw your little Ankh, attack the Ankh. Watch all the brainless players on the other team not shoot your Ankh. You wipe out the whole team. Your first Marvel Rivals Lord emote. Wait, Lord emote? Well, I'm going to embarrass myself and ask what that means, because I haven't played nearly enough Marvel Rivals to know what this is. Lord icon? Is Lord like the highest rank? I'm not familiar with the ranks. I haven't played too much ranked. I think right when ranked came out is when I started to take a little bit of a chill off of Marvel Rivals. I do want to go back. It was a lot of fun. Play champ so much that you get a new icon for that champ. Ah. So then I predict my first Lord icon will be Luna Snow. Here we go. I did want to point out We did have a little bit of factory damaged cards with these two. I saw them when I was opening it. It wasn't the whole pack, because then you would have seen some kind of bending with the cards in the back. It is just factory damage with those two cards. Apologies in advance. Can always count on some kind of errors coming out of Tops or Upper Deck. We do have a red PMG right at the front here, though. Right away with the red PMG. There is Wasp for the letter W, going out to X Johns for our first bit of PMG. Looks like this one is the retro PMG. Rather crispy front, actually. My goodness. Just the tiniest hint of white on the top. And back looking pretty nice. We got 95 out of 100. Freaking love these things. We got Arachne on the retro. Winter Soldier. Got a purple of the Kree. It's numbered 113 out of 199 on the purple. For letter K, that one's going out to KSL. Wonder Man. Grandiose of the Serpent Society. Can't decide if I like the Grandioses from this set or the Spider-Man set more. They do both look quite different. Got a gold of Captain Britain. Captain Britain on the gold. Letter C, that one's going out to the man. The man. Another Grandiose. Miles' art's just too good in this set, man. I absolutely adore it. Stupid fast with the Grandiose of Miles Morales. Gold of Atlas. Letter A, UTK, yeah, on the gold. I got Tiger Shark, Kree, and how about a frickin' comic cut, bro? I was curious what the thick card was when I showed the profile of the pack there. That's going to go to Avengers. The comic line is the letter A, Avengers, UTK. We'll show the back of it here in a second. Who's behind? Hercules, Hercules. Curious what there's a tiny bit of erasing on the, yeah, see that right there? I'm wondering if that's the adhesive. Please let the doctor speak. Yep, Avengers number 59. That's going out to letter A, UTK, yeah. 25 out of 65 on the comic cut. 25 out of 65 on the comic cut. Love these things. Just love the comic cuts. I'm excited to see some comic cuts coming out of the DC products in the coming year with the recent partnership with Upper Deck and DC Comics. Orange, orange, orange of Quasar. Wow, that was a 2-for-1 shrimp combo with aggro. For sure that came with aggro. 5 out of 25 for Quasar. Letter Q is going out to North Relic. North Relic. So good. So good. Bump, bump. There we go. Starbrand. Is that a red? We got another PMG incoming. Another PMG. Good luck. That's sick. That's just sick. That is just sick. Vision on the red PMG. Color match to the face? Question mark. Got 35 out of 100 on the red PMG. Yeah, for UTK. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Told you, PMGs just fly out of this product. That's why we love it. That's why we love it. Here we got a purple of Justice. Number to 199, we got 126, letter J. That one's going out to X Johns. Oh, you don't got to do that, UTK. You just came back. You just came back. Blast Furnace of Void, letter V. That's also going out to UTK. Is that nice guy mojo kicking in right there? Holy cow. Another purple. Another purple. Oh, funny. It's almost like a... It would be like a skin change, you know what I mean? In a video game, you change your skin. Kang the Conqueror on the last card in the back. Purple of Vision. It's very kind of you, UTK. I appreciate that. Very, very kind of you. This Vision's 127 out of 199. We're going to do some quick catching up on casing and, or sleeving and casing. We'll get to box number 2. Box number 2. Said it's yours, buddy. I appreciate that, UTK. Again, very, very kind of you. The kindness was met with immediate double vision. Aha! Double vision. You're seeing double. Hoping we see something crazy like a blue. I mean, I want to see a gold PMG 101. Close out with a bang. Close out with a bang. All right, box 2. Good luck. There's Hulkling. Red PMG right away. Oh, man. Who has the letter H? KSL. KSL with a red PMG of the Hulk. Red PMG of the Hulk. 61 out of 100. Crazy hit right there for KSL. My goodness. My goodness. Remembering why we loved this product so much. Iron Fist. I think I need to learn how to say his ulti from Marvel Rivals, because I think it's the funniest thing for me to just shout out randomly every time we see Iron Fist. There we got Captain Britain on the purple. 5 out of 199. Letter C going out to the Funk. Level Wolvie in the base. Grandiose of Dread Knight, letter D, going out to Toby. Grandiose. There we have a gold of the Serpent Society. It's I don't know why I checked the back for on the gold. I forgot the golds are unnumbered. Yellow Jacket on the Grandiose, letter Y. That one's going out to UTK. Serpent Society was letter S, by the way, going out to Ronan. Normiazi looks like he's about to do a little dance. Thanos. And there we got Mach 1 on the gold. Letter M. That one's going out to Stupid Fast. It's going out to Stupid Fast. Last handful here of the break. Good luck, folks. Oh, spoiler alert. My pinky is cold. Some of y'all don't remember what that means. Oh, these are so cool. Metal X. Of Ant-Man, Cant-Man, UTK. I mean, these boys are thick. There's some thick boys. Metal X of Ant-Man. Forgot how much I like those inserts. Here's why my pinky was cold. Planet Metal. Number 99. Is that who I think it is? It is. Iron Man. Is that the Hulkbuster armor? My goodness. My goodness, 69 out of 99 on the copper. Letter I, UTK. Oh no, oh yeah. Designed for fighting the Hulk, the Hulkbuster armor. Just had to double check, make sure I wasn't assuming just because it's bulky that it was the Hulkbuster. Again, 69 out of 99 for UTK. Yeah. Letter I spot's fantastic if you're chasing the Planet Metal cards. Got another PMG coming up. You can see the red foil, that bright red foil. Good luck. Oh, we already know who that is. We already know who that is. Jessica Jones. She got the name tag on the table. It's funny to me that they kept the name tag from the artwork. Holy crap. The front of this card's beautiful. Like, not a single ounce of whitening off of the front of the card. I know these ones, it's usually the back, the top and the bottom left corner of the back is the ones that you got to look out for. But I mean, the front of the card, like, that is a stunning conditioned card on the front. We got, what is that? 18 out of 100 on the Jessica Jones. Letter J, that one's going out to X Johns. Getting some nice hits out of the letter J. We got Spidey in the base. We do like Spidey in the base. Purple of Tiger Shark. Letter T going out to Steven. YSL. 88 out of 199 on the purple. I thought I saw it. Where is it? There it is. Palladium. Rage. Letter R, UTK. With Rage. It's my first time seeing that Palladium. We've opened 120 breaks worth of this stuff, and that's my first time seeing Rage on the Palladium. Another Spidey in the base. And for our final hit, it's purple. It's going to be numbered to 199. Jessica Jones. And letter J going to X Johns on the purple. It's numbered 138 out of 199 on the Jessica Jones. U.S. Agent. Right in time for the Thunderbolts movie coming out later this year. Close this out. We're going to do some sleeving and casing. We'll hit the recap. We'll hit that recap. Goodness, I forgot how much I love this product. Such pretty cards. Very nice hit rates. You know, this is another one. I'm curious if the person who did the numbers for this set also did the numbers for Looney Tunes. I don't think there's any real way to look that up or look into that, but I have a hunch that both of these were handled by the same person. No more spots. I know we've got Metal Universe Spider-Man in the store, but I do not see any more boxes of Avengers Metal Universe in the room. Holy cracked top loader. There we go. We do have some more Spidey. We do have some more Spidey. The Metal Universe Spidey's a lot tougher to hit in, but holy crap, dude. Holy crap. That's your spots went all together. Oh, well, you had C and then EF. Man, there's been times we've seen like some crazy grouping off of the randoms, where like after we run the random and then group everything, we've seen like sandwiches where like people will be in like both the top and the bottom, and then everyone else is in the middle. Oh yeah, letter. Oh, you. That's okay. That was like grouped. My goodness, I forgot that your wife had the. Or it was under Toby. Here we go. So too bad there's no more. Yeah, I mean, every time we do a break of this stuff, I absolutely adore it, man. Grandioses, purples. These again numbered to 199. PMGs. PMGs. Jessica Jones. We got the Hulk. Vision. Wasp. Wow, 4 PMGs out of the 2-boxer. That's why we love this product. $6.99 out of $99 on the Copper Armor Iron Man. Got a orange. These are harder to hit than PMGs, yo. 5 out of 25 there for Quasar. And we do have this comic at the back, number to 65. I don't know why I put this one before. Oh, because UTK said it was... I put it off to the side because I remember UTK said it was a gift. Shouts out again. UTK, that was very, very, very kind of you. I appreciate that. That was 2024 SkyBox Marvel Avengers Metal Universe 2-box random letter number 120. Thank you all so much for the break. It's been a journey, man. It's been a journey.